Good morning, students. We completed examples. Now we will do some exercise question. So we have chosen first to do the second question. Picture I already have made here. Question says, a tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making it a 30. Question meaning, A to B is the initial height of the tree. Due to storm, it breaks from the point C and it bends. It is not completely apart from the C, meaning BA is the original height of the tree. Due to storm, from the C it breaks and it bends. The top of the tree A touches to the ground at D, meaning D and A are same point. The top of the tree touches after bending at the point D and making it a 30-degree. And question says the distance between the foot of the tree and the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. The distance from the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches, the top 8 touches at D. So D to B is 8 meter. Question says find the height of the tree. We want to find the height of the tree, total tree we have to find. Look very interesting it is. Suppose it is H and this is your X. Suppose AC is X and CB is H. So one should know when it is X, it is also X, because that only part bend and touches at a D. So these two are same. So we want to find H plus X. So we need H plus H and X both. So we have a simple triangle. I'll write first. Let BA is first position, initial position of tree. Let it breaks from C and bend. As per question, BD is equal to 8 meter. Let CB is equal to H and CD is equal to X. We want to find H plus X. We need H and X both. So first I'll go with in triangle CBD, go with tan theta, perpendicular upon base. What is theta? Obviously 30. Perpendicular is H, base is 8. So tan 30 meaning 1 by root 3. H by 8. Root 3 is not given in a book. Okay. Do transfer 8 here. 8 by root 3 is equal to H. So H equal to 8 by root 3 meter. Will leave. It is not an answer. It is only the value of H. Now we have got H. Now we need X. So we now look the relation between 8 and X. This is base and this is hypotenuse. And base and hypotenuse will speak by cos. Now cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now you have come to know that why I have taken cos. Because cos is showing the relation between base and hypotenuse. Base is given and hypo we want. So cos theta, instead of theta we will write 30. So base is 8 and H is X. Hypotenuse is X. So from here I can find easily the value of X. How we would do? Cos 30 meaning root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by X. Now do transfer X here. Root 3x is equal to 8 to the 16 and X is equal to 16 upon root 3. This is X. So original height of the tree from A to B is equal to H plus X. So what is your H? 8 by root 3 and what is X? 16 by root 3. Take an LCM. This is root 3. 8 and 16 will be 24 upon root 3. Take an rationalize the term. How to rationalize, you know it. Divide and multiply by root 3. You will get 24 into root 3 upon 3 and after cancelling 3 8s are. So answer will be 8 root 3. This is the whole height of the tree we have got. So this was a very important question as far as exam is concerned. So I have told. Now let me tell you another question. based on definitely height and distance. And the question is question number 6. So I'll tell you question number 6. You also read in the book, and while watching the video, take a book with you. Take a book with you. See always the questions in the book. Try to understand the question from the book and then see the video. You will get it soon. Question 6 says, a 1.5 meter tall boy. So this is the height of the boy. 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. He is standing, the boy is standing at some distance. That distance we don't know. This boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. Suppose CD is a tall building, 30 meter tall building, and the boy is standing at some distance from that. Question says now, the angle of elevation from, I have taught you that from is very important word by which you can understand that the angle is forming where? From the eyes of the observer. So observer is this, so eyes will be definitely at the top. Eyes will be at the top. So angle is forming here, and this boy is looking, what he is looking, that the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. Very important. Two angles are given here, 30 to 60. And when he walks towards the building, meaning first boy is standing here, then angle becomes 30 degree. Angle becomes 30, but when he goes up to near to the building, towards to the building, he goes towards to the building, angle becomes 30 to 60, meaning first angle was 30 and second angle was 60. So first angle is 30. How will I make the 30 angle? I have to make the imaginary plane here, and this angle is 30 when boy is standing here. When boy slowly goes towards to the building, for while I am rubbing it, when boy is going towards to the building, suppose this is the second position of the boy, suppose it is a P and Q, suppose. So 1.5 is this, obviously it is also 1.5 meter, no worry about it, but this angle is now has been 60 degree as far as question is concerned. Again I repeat, this is 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. This hole is the 30 meter. The angle from the definitely will help you to identify the angle from where the angle is forming. The question is from his the angle of elevation from his eyes. From his eyes, meaning eyes is here. The observer eyes at definitely at the top. So angle from this particular point or eye from the observer, the angle of elevation of the top is 30 to 60 when he approaches towards the building slowly. For first position it was 30, but when he or she moves towards the building, at any instant angle becomes 60. So these two situations were definitely given, and question says now find the distance he walked toward the building. Find the distance he walked toward the building, meaning we want to find that distance only. This distance we want to find. Suppose this distance is x. This is x, and definitely it is also x. Now what I'll do now, look at very important thing it is given. It is 1.5. So it is 1.5. It is the distance also 1 point. Suppose it is r. So it is 1.5 meter. And one should simple predict that whole is a 30. This is 1.5. So rest will be 30 minus 1.5, 28.5. So this distance will be 28.5 meter. Hope what I am telling you are getting. This is 1.5 meter. 1.5. It is also 1.5. Whole was 30. So rest is 28.5. Now we are having this 28.5. Two angles we are having. Suppose it is y. Suppose it is y, and we want to find the value of x. And what is x? The boy is walking towards the building, and questions how much he walks. How much he walks. That distance we have to find out. Actually, boy was standing here at the first position, and at second position he or she is here. The boy is here. Definitely, we have to find the distance he walked, meaning x. We have to find out. Okay. Now the rest things. Let AB is 1.5 meter. Is height of boy. Let CD is 30 meter. Is height of building. As per question, definitely C to R will be 30 minus 1.5, meaning 28.5 meter. So called things. Let BQ is equal to, look at the thing, it is y, suppose it is x, it is also x, it is y, it is also y. So let AP is equal to x and PR equal to y, and we want to find the value of x. So I'll go in triangle. Definitely first I'll take a small triangle, I prefer CRP. CRP. Go in tan theta P upon B. Your theta is 60. Perpendicular is 28.5 and base is y. So tan 60 is itself a root 3. 28.5 upon y. Do transfer here. Y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3 meter. So I just want to drop my answer right here because it is not our purpose to do so. It is not our requirement. We want actually x. So this is actually y till now. Now I'll prefer the whole triangle, big triangle C, R and A. Go with again tan theta, perpendicular upon base, with theta is equal to definitely 30 this time. Perpendicular is again 28.5 upon base is x plus y. Look at x plus y. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 28.5 upon x plus y. Do cross multiplication. X plus y will be 28.5 root 3. Now put the value of y here. Put the value of y here. Put the value of y. What we will get? We will get x plus. Instead of y, we will put 28.5 upon root 3 is equal to 28.5 into root 3. Now I do transfer that side only. X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. What we will do? We will take out common this. 28.5 we will take out common. What we will have? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. And do LCM here. Take an LCM. Root 3, 3 minus 1, 2 upon root 3. Now multiply these two terms. This is going to be 57 and upon root 3. Now again, to make sufficient answer, we do rationalize the term. We do divide and multiply by root 3. Upside will be 57 root 3 upon this, going to be 3. And after cancelling these two terms, it is 19 root 3 meter. And this is x, which we have to find out. In question, we are not given the value of root 3. So answer, we have to leave in the term of root 3 no matter at all. So this is very important question, and also the terminology and the picture is very important. You have to just do the practice for this. Okay, now we'll move on to some other question. Question we will do now, 8th one. So try to understand the 8th one, easy, and you student try to read in the book, you will get it soon. Let me rub this first board and then I'll move on the question number next. So question number 8 speaks, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. So we just try to make, suppose this is a pedestal, and a statue 1.6 meter standing on that. AB is the first position, and AB is the position of the statue, which is 1.6 meter tall and standing on the stand or called pedestal. Now next, from a point on the ground, and let me clear one thing, students, that this is a stand for this statue called a pedestal. So now I am rubbing this pedestal and making the pedestal as a vertical line. Suppose this is the pedestal. Initially, this is very simple to understand. We suppose BC is the height of the pedestal. AB is the height of the statue which is standing on this pedestal, 1.6 meter tall. Question says from a point. I again have I wanna tell you that from word will definitely help you to making the angle from a point on the ground. So you suppose that this is a point on the ground. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60. So this is the top of the statue. And from this angle, the angle is gonna be 60 degree. What question says? And you should know that from word will help you that angle is being here. And again question says from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. From the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, so BC was the pedestal, so top is B. Now the angle of this top of the pedestal from the same point is 45. Question says. Now what to find out? Find the height of the pedestal. We want to find the height of the pedestal. This is the height of pedestal and this is gonna be X. So summary I am not writing, you can know it now what to do. Summary I am not writing. Let BC is the height of the pedestal which is equal to H. AB is 1.6 meters height of the statue. Let CP is equal to X. So these theory you please write by your own because it is so easy. So let me start my solution with direct working. In triangle, as usual I will take first small triangle. Small triangle is BCP. So in triangle BCP I'll go with tan theta. So it's a P upon B. Tan theta meaning that tan theta is a 45 degree. So 45 is equal to P is H and B is X. Now tan 45 is 1, H upon X, and very interesting, X is equal to H. We have got one easy equation. Now I'll take in the second triangle ACP, I'll go with tan theta, P upon B. So your theta this time is 60, and this P is this whole 1.6 plus H upon, so whole 1.6 plus H is P, and upon base is again X. Look at P is 1.6 plus H. Now tan 60 is a root 3, 1.6 plus H upon X we have got. Do transfer here. So root 3 X is equal to 1.6 plus H. Put the value of what you want to find, H now. So we put X is equal to H. So by 1.6 root 3, and instead of that X put H. X equal to H and equal to 1.6 plus H. Do transfer here. Root 3H minus H equal to 1.6. Take out H common. Root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6 and H equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. If root 3 value is not given in the book, your answer is sufficient till here. You can drop the answer right here. So this is the value of H has come. So do the rest question and try to make. I think you can make it. Thank you.